Hi friends, if you are using background music in your videos, music track almost too long or too short, method we are used earlier is copy the track, then glue them together. It does work, but in this video I am going to show how we can done this easily by using Premiere Pro and Adobe Audition. Inside Premiere I got some video tracks on the timeline. I am using this track as background music. You can see this track is too short, it should end somewhere here around 30 seconds. I need to expand to around 1 minute 54 seconds. And to do this, right click on audio track and then select edit clip in Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition will be open automatically, but this only if you have Adobe Audition in your PC. Okay, inside Adobe Audition we want to do this in multi-track session. Then drag the audio into a fresh track. Okay, then go to Properties panel, then go to Remix tab. Click Enable Remix. Audition will now analyze your track. Once this process is done, you can change the length of the audio by editing the target duration. I am going to set 1 minute 54 seconds. The cut was made here. Okay, now we need to export this audio. Go to File, then select Export. Then select Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. Select Export, it will go back to Premiere. And here we got the expanded audio. We can just remove the shorter track and keep the new one. Okay, this track is better for this scenario, but tracks with vocals sometimes gives a mixed result, and that's it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks again for watching. See you again in next video on Apex Studio.